Let's get started. First, extract the zip file. Inside, you'll find the Revit add-in files, the install and uninstall batch files, a start here guide, the application folder. Please leave that one untouched. A sample folder with a sample Revit project and a sample Excel room list, and a documentation folder with the user guide and license details. To install, just double-click install.bat. If you don't have a license key yet, skip that step. You can activate anytime later. The first time you run it, you'll be asked for a license key. Once your purchase is confirmed, you'll receive your key by email. Just paste it into activate.bat and you're ready to go. Before running the app on your own project, make sure 4 view templates already exist. room_elev, room_plan, room_3D, and room_RCP. These names are hard-coded into the app, so please use them exactly. For your input Excel file, the easiest approach is to create a room schedule in Revit, export it to CSV, and then open and save it as an Excel workbook. That gives you a clean room list to work from. In Revit, open the BIX ribbon, go to the documentation panel and click Create Room Views. This opens the BIX Room Views dialog box. First, select the Excel file containing the room numbers and names you'd like to create views for. The app assumes room numbers in your model are unique, though room names can repeat. Next, choose which view types you'd like to create. You can select one type or all of them, with one exception. Elevations must be selected together with plan views, since Revit places elevation markers on plan views by design. Then click Create Room Views inside the dialog box, and the views are created directly in your Revit model. You'll find them organized by type in the project browser. To keep a consistent look and feel, the app applies existing view templates for each view type. room_elev for elevations, room_plan for plan views, room_3D for 3D views, and room_RCP for RCP views. These names are hard-coded into the app, so please use exactly these names for your own view templates. The app also generates an Excel report listing every room and its newly created views, saved in the same folder as your input Excel file. It includes the room number, room ID, and level for each view. Ready for your next steps in documentation. Questions or feedback? We'd love to hear from you. Reach out anytime. Thanks for watching. BIM, let's explore.